These are the experimental plots of cluster beans. Very special observations are here. So what is observed is in the control plots the fruiting started early, and the total length of fruiting on the plant is more, and flowering is very small, flowering area by length. So it means they started early fruiting for some reason. Here also you can see the total length of cluster bean. Then only at the tip we have flowering. But whereas in the biochar applied plots, very special things are happening. So let us say here the fruiting area is hardly few inches, about 6-7 inches, then but flowering is more than a feet. Yeah. So the ratio between this fruiting length and flowering length, here it is almost all in the, this is 2 kg applied plot, only few centimeter, maybe 4 centimeters, but here this is more than 7-8 centimeters. So ratio is double mostly in this biochar applied plots. So 4 kg, 2 kg, 1 kg. Everywhere similar observations are there. So the one of the conclusion is the control plot, the plant started early, fruiting started early, and there are not much flowers observable. It means already that aging has happened, its life cycle is completed. But whereas in biochar plots, the plants, they are, for some reason, fruiting is not, has not started like there it happened, but the flowering is still going on. It means there is a potential at the end. Let us say we are having harvesting tests by weight in each plot when we measure. So then the total weight of the fruits at the end will be very high, the cluster beans. And they are still growing. We can see the shoots in biochar plots. So they might go very tall. So that possibility is there. So these are some special observations. Yeah, but by initial harvest we might think in control plot they are doing very well. So these are very, that's why in a research we have to observe completely till the end of the plant cycle. Only then we would know the results. Yeah.